Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of our home here at 4D Farms, where we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Y'all come on in and see what we're all about, because we want our channel to encourage you and inspire you on your journey. If you see something that you like, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. That helps our channel grow and reach more people. If you want to subscribe, and if you think other people can benefit from our videos, please share them. Y'all, we hope to see you in each and every video, and most of all, thanks for watching.
Do you feel it? Wintertime is here, and so is a new year. But some of us have a little trouble adjusting to this time of year. We have nothing in common with Elsa. The cold does really bother us. Sometimes we find ourselves shut in, coping with cold, dreary days, going stir crazy because we can't get outside. It's time to romanticize winter and make our homes a safe, cozy, warm, safe haven for our families. Maybe we need to make some new plans and schedules or routines, just to kind of freshen things up a little bit and have a new perspective of things for this coming year. Maybe something didn't work for you last year, and everything just got overwhelming and out of control and chaotic. Maybe kind of turn things around a little and change something up just a little bit to see if that will help for this year. You know what they say, out with the old, in with the new. You may find you switch your day around because shorter daylight hours. A lot of times during the summertime, we're outside doing things later in the evening because we have longer daylight hours. Now that the days are shorter, I have to maybe kind of like change that time to the first part of my day. Think on that for a little bit, switching your schedules around, if at all possible. Now, I know those of y'all that have a job work 40 to 60 to 80 hours a week sometimes. It might be hard. But in order to keep things from getting chaotic, you may need to make a change or two here and there to make things fluctuate better, flow smoother. I find this time of the year, I'm in my kitchen more, making warm, nutritious meals and meal planning, because the busyness of the summer has come to an end and slowed us down. When I'm on a work trip with dear hubby, of course my daily routines looks different. We go on a work trip, we come home, we leave out again, come back home, leave out again. But this is just the way things are right now until dear hubby retires. And I can fluctuate. I can go back and forth. It was a learning curve when I started traveling with him, but now he understands why I bring so much what I call to do stuff with me. He knows I could never sit there all day long, every day with nothing to do. I would absolutely lose my sanity. He understands. He goes to work 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. He gets it. He knows you have to have something to do. And I have that opportunity of sometimes having a routine at home or having a routine while on a work trip. I can do this. During the winter, I love to try new things for myself. Maybe learn a few new skills. Have fun with and enjoy my family. Deep clean my home a little at a time. Refuel some things, or refill some things in the pantry that needs to make my time in the kitchen run smoother. Declutter some things in the home. This is a time when you can, I know everybody for New Year's resolutions, the first thing they're going to say is, oh, I'm going to declutter my home and reorganize, because of that old saying again, out with the old, in with the new. Well, don't just wait till the beginning of the new year to do this. I started cleaning out little drawers and closets just here and there. I've made several donation trips to some places in our hometown. This has kind of helped me, and in my home, it does feel good. My husband actually couldn't believe I got rid of some things. I guess I surprised him. Refilling and restocking is part of my routine, not just at the beginning of the year, but several times. We buy in bulk, and I will fill up containers and bottles and my pantries to where when I'm in my kitchen, I'm not running around trying to find something while I'm trying to put a nutritious meal on the table. Makes my steps a little lighter and fewer in my kitchen. I like to use the winter time when I can't get outside on cold days to give my house a refresh, a reset, do some deep cleaning a little at a time, incorporate some help. I like to use winter time to sit back and plan my garden. Draw out on paper what I want my garden to look like. Plan it out, what I'm going to plant where, what I need to rotate. I love to get those seed catalogs in the mail and just look through them and see what's new, maybe see something else I want to try. I take an inventory of what we have and what we need to grow for just this season. I get the grandkids to look at some things with me and see if there's something they might want to try. But I love to just plan and create to see what works and what I'm going to do in my home and outside in my area of the farm. I like sometimes getting outside, watching the guys work, taking care of the cows. Finishing those fences. Just kind of daydreaming of what the year can possibly bring. I try to get outside get some fresh air. You sit inside all winter long and not doing anything, you will find yourself going stir crazy and getting depressed, kind of. It's important to find something to do during this downtime. Winter is a time also of rest, to refuel our bodies, slow down before the chaos and the busyness of the summertime resets itself and comes around again. It's okay to have some rest, but don't let yourself start going crazy. Get up, move around a little bit, and then get some more rest. If you find yourself going crazy and need to regroup and refocus, romanticize your home a little bit. Light some candles. Place a few warm, cozy throw blankets out. Light the fireplace if you have one. Take some long, hot, relaxing bubble baths if you can. Watch those movies. Eat that popcorn with your loved ones. Play those board games with the kids. When it snows, get outside and have fun with them. Play those winter scenes of ambience videos, winter ambience videos on YouTube, here on YouTube. Look them up. Play them on your screen all day long and the background music. Curl up with some good books. Finish some indoor, outdoor projects you've been needing to get done all this time. Do what makes your home cozy and comfortable. In Proverbs 31, it tells us that she does not eat the bread of idleness, but she looks well to the ways of her home. That doesn't mean we have to work ourselves to death during the winter, ladies. We still need to take care of ourselves so we can be our best for our families and take care of our families. Wives, moms, we set the stage for our families, and we are the keepers of our homes. We can do this in this season of life, because before we know it, this season will come to a close and another season will start. And with it will come changes again that we'll have to get adjusted to again. Give yourself some grace. Be patient with those in the home. We're all just trying to survive and adjust. In this new year, I'm going to try to focus on being committed to just serving the Lord, leaning on Him, trusting Him, focusing on Him. Because when my heart and my mind is right, I can be a better person for my family. I can serve them better. I can take care of them better. I can be who I need to be for them. Someone they can lean on. Someone they can come to ask advice, to ask for help, I'm very passionate about my calling and what the Lord has asked me to do and called me to do. All I ever wanted to be growing up was a wife, a mother, and a homemaker. I tried to be so many other things that the Lord didn't call me to be. I tried to do things my way, not His way. I wasn't letting Him lead me. Once I realized what my purpose was in life, I took it seriously and became very passionate about it. And I have been blessed more over the past few decades than I ever have in my life. I have enjoyed every moment of this journey. And I can't wait to see what more blessings are to come in my journey in life, especially if I make that commitment to stay focused on Him. Because when I'm focused on Him and I'm serving my family, in return, I'm going to receive blessings. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you take it to heart and you make some resolutions for yourself this year. Blessings to you and yours in this new year. If you like our content, please hit the like button and help share our videos so we can reach more people and I can help more people and do what I'm passionate about. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.